In this video, I will show you how to turn on nearby option in Telegram. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, share this video and comment under the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So what you have to do is to go to your Telegram application, and in the Telegram application you have to check one thing. One thing is that you have to check that is your contacts are enabled or not in the application. So to cross check it, what you have to do is to go and search your contacts, and then as you guys can see that I can see my contacts right in here. So in order to see the permissions, press long hold on the application and go to the app information, and in the app information go to the permission tab. So in the permission tab, what you have to do is to search for the contacts, and in the contacts make sure that it's allowed. If it's allowed, press on don't allow and then press again on allow to cross check it for make sure that it's working. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.